Many, many years ago, I realized that communication is key. Communication is most important if you want to get anywhere in life, and learning to communicate clearly is a very good thing to do. So one of the things, or three things that I want you to pay attention to are words. Words have a very specific emotional impact in how you use them, right? So three things specifically with words to pay attention to are words that somebody else uses. So if I were to ask Lou, for example, how his trip was, or how last week was, or something, or how he went to a concert, how was the concert? And he goes, oh my God, they had the most unbelievable band and blah, blah, blah. And he goes on to tell me, and I noticed that he used that word unbelievable, and it had a really strong emotional impact for him. Then I can take note of that, and then later on when we're communicating, I can use that word back in something that makes sense and that matters, and that can help me communicate a little bit more deeply to him. So that's the first thing, is pay attention to the words that other people speak. Second thing is pay attention to the words that you use, because just like I said, he might go, oh my God, this is unbelievable. He might not be aware of those words that he's using. And if we were just all aware of the words that we use, then we would actually be able to use those words to our benefit in order to motivate ourselves, in order to bring ourselves down, to keep bringing ourselves up, depending on what it is that we need. So the words that we use out loud are very important, second thing. And the third thing that we want to pay attention to with words are the words that we use with ourselves. Like when you make a mistake and you go, oh, I'm such an idiot. Those words, I'm such an idiot, you are taking those things as an identity. And if you were to just change that, say to yourself some nice things, some positive affirmations. I know this is, sometimes it sounds woo-woo when people say, hey, do affirmations. But this is really what it means, is that you are, in the morning you wake up and you're like, oh, it's going to be a great day. We're going to have a fantastic time. We're going to have a great show this morning. That's the kind of thing that is going to get you expecting the right thing. It's going to get your emotions going in the right direction. Okay, so when you pay attention to the words that you're saying to yourself, pay attention to how they are making you act, because it is emotion inside of us that makes us act in one way or another, and it is up to us to figure out which are the words that are more emotionally connected in one direction or the other, depending on where we want to go, to actually get us to that place. How's that?
That's awesome. I don't think it's woo-woo at all. I think it's
the affirmations. Amazing. People are like, well, you got to do affirmations. You got to have all this positive thinking, and yes, that works. But that works because it gets your emotions going in a way that gets you acting.
It's impactful
to actually get that result.
Yeah.
Does that make sense? So, but it all starts with the communication, paying attention to the words. So, the words somebody else's use, the words that you use out loud, and the words that you use with yourself. That is Juan's Coaching Corner. Hope you enjoyed it.
Hey, if you found value in this video, please hit the like button so more people can find it, and consider subscribing to the channel and clicking the bell for more life-enhancing content. Oh, and by the way, there's no rush. Hang around, watch some other videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.